大丈夫? Oh, here's maybe come helicopter?
No.
Yeah?
Aliens.
No?
Are you recording?
Yeah,
A little bit.
It also kind of looks like you're wearing a thong, Emilio. Your underwear is going straight up your behind.
It's just.
暑い、すごい暑い。
That's why I don't wear briefs.
ああ、そうかそうか。そう、here's Granville Island. So here's Granville Island.
Why is it like up in your ass? Oh, it's not. Oh, it's just a line in the back. That look like it's going right up your ass.
I don't know what's going on back there. I can't see, but.
大丈夫?
No, yeah, no. Maybe it's.
It looked like there was a V going straight down into your butt. Maybe because your butt was eating it?
Definitely was. Yeah, no. Boxers themselves?
Yeah,
Junk is too loose.
I used to love boxers because I used to only be given briefs until I was like 12 or 11.
Oh, yeah. And then.
We arrived at Granville Island.
Goodbye, Granville Island. Sayonara, Granville Island. Ayudando.
ウォーターバイク、あ、ウォーターバイク、すごい。
That's pretty cool.
ねえ。But this is a little hard.
$35 for a water bike rental? That'd be pretty
No,
fun.
no,
Actually.
a little hard though.
No, it's just like riding a bike.
But
As long as we're not a tandem. We
you
won't
should
fall.
keep. But you need to keep
Yeah, of course.
paddling.
You need to keep wheeling or else you won't stop eventually.
うん。
It's cool.
暑い。あれだね。Reminds me that a seafood restaurant.
Which one?
We went to seafood restaurant.
On the island?
Yeah.
I think I filmed on that blue boat.
Oh.
Really?
Not right there, but on that blue boat. Because they do like pirate ship stuff.
Yeah. Oh, what's up?
Yeah. And then in the show I was working,
One
there was a couple that was going to pirate themed boat thing. So I was like, yeah, we were like, it was so weird, like carrying heavy ass lights while the whole thing was like shimmying, and there was like very specific stuff we needed to do to make sure it was grounded because we were filming. We were using high amounts of electricity above water.
Mm-hmm.
But it was cool.
I believe that.
Oh, I was gonna say, posted a link to a song on YouTube the other day. It was a cover song that I really liked. Brandon was the only person who liked it. And so yesterday I was like, huh? Yeah.
Sorry. I only check Facebook like once a week.
I mean, I'm sure they know that's fine. But I posted it. Brandon was the only one who liked it. So I was like, oh, Brandon. Like, I really didn't think you would like that song.
すごいなんか。
And he was like, what song? And he was like, what song? And I was like, the song that I posted.
Young girl coming to you.
Ew.
You know?
I don't like big boobs and I
You should keep
don't
this
like
in
plastic
your vlog.
surgery.
You should keep this right in your vlog.
Just joking.
A big boob, you know, some girl, she come up, she says, hey,
Just a joke asking.
Hey, Brian.
you right?
You handsome now.
Huh? But you're drinking my water.
Yeah, of course. It's from my house, so it's my water.
Hey, that's not how it works. That means all my stuff would be your stuff.
Hell yeah.
No. That means all your stuff is
Your
my
water
stuff.
なのね。そう
No,
ね。
it's-
ライアンウォーター。
No, your stuff is from the U-Haul that you brought.
That is where it's from. That
That is.
where it came from.
So, that's not mine. But the water that comes out of the faucet at my house, that's mine.
そうだね。
You
Where'd you
borrow
get
my
that?
water to shower.
That is true. I will return the favor one day.
Oh, good. For $400 a month, I hope. For 5 years.
暑いな。
I can't believe it's been like 4.5 years.
It's been 3.
2016.
20
September.
in 2017.
何をって。
I stepped on the acorn and it was sticking like straight up.
How do we get to the bottom of this? I swear it was 27.
危ない。
Remember, I pulled up a picture from September 2nd, 2016. You in your room, unpacked, shit everywhere.
ね、
It
Bonnier.
changed the date.
バーニアパーク
Veneer.
バニエマニア。
And then Kitsilano Beach is right here.
あ、本当だ、本当だ。
So we're almost
あ、
there.
almost.
Yeah, we're here. We just gotta go here. Maybe like 15 minutes.
OK。行くぜ。We need a pull truck.
Can you skip back when you're cooking and stuff?
What do you mean? What do you mean?
In your profile, your Facebook timeline, there used to be a way you could just skip weird.
Almost a kids beach.
Finally, we've been walking for 4 days. I'm so dry.
まだまだこれから。
Mada mada
これから。よ。だね。だね。だね。
燃えてきた。
燃えてきたでしょ。
Yeah, 燃えてきた. I'm getting fired up in so many.
Cringy.
You're cringy. I know, but I admit it.
暑いっすね。
Did you?
やばいね。
There's English Bay.
おー。あ
Go on.
ー。ねえ。ねえ、ウェイズなのマニュアルフェスティバル。
Sunset Beach.
あ
Over
あ、
there.
そっか。わかんない。てか暑い。
Right past these trees is Kitsilano Beach.
うん。
The beach of autumn. We got like big ice cream cones. And then took a nap on the grass.
Me?
Yeah. We took a nap over there on the grass.
You should be filming Brian when he's talking.
あ
I don't like being on camera.
あ。うん、いいのいいの。うん。大丈夫。
I'm getting pretty hungry though.
ああ、え？Oh, this is Gelato Beach なんだ。
No, this is Kits Beach.
うん。But we came here and we did gelato.
Yeah.
I saw that the first time we came some beach and I am too tired and crying.
No, that was second beach.
ああ。じゃあ、that one second beach crying beach.
Yeah, that's Stanley Park.
ああ。さあ、ビーチです。そろそろ。はあ、そう疲れたからね。Hungry?
Yeah, I'm very hungry.
But
Order burgers.
we should walk to go back, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we can go a more direct route.
I can still walk.
At least 2 hours away.
Yeah. I know. I think I have enough to survive until I get to it.
You have food on you?
No.
Oh.
I have fat on me.
Are you gonna eat it?
No. Oh, the volleyball beach is busy as ever.
本当だ。Lots of people.
But it's still really slow,
すごいな。
right? Or Brandon's dick while you're sleeping on it.
Well, it's the most comfortable. It's better than his couch.
Comfortable?
Yeah, because it's never really hard. Just soft.
そうなの？
Yeah, Corona.
バナナクッションでしょ。
I should take their basketball and cough on it. For fun.
ちょっと暑い。いっぱい人いる。
Me too.
I'm gonna get some too.
Should I wait for Friday then?
I usually order Friday or Saturday.
It's always like Saturday or Sunday.
No, I cook Sunday.
Mm. じゃあ行こうか。
Are we on a peninsula?
いっぱいいるよ人が。あ、レンタルバイセコ。You can rent a bicycle to the downtown. いっぱいいるね。お茶と水を買ったので歩いて戻ります。疲れた。なんかハンバーガー美味しそう。We are going back car and then drive to go home. 大丈夫？
はい。
いいえ。大丈夫じゃない。
大丈夫じゃない。
ほんと足がね。
No, it's not that. It could be hotter.
It could be so much hotter.
Almost 6 now.
Yeah.
6 p.m. Okay. あ、これもピザあるよ。うん。
I was telling Meg about pizza earlier.
Oh, it's a place. I've never been there.
Yeah, that's what I was telling her was the fact that it used to be a huge pizza like chain, like Canadian 2-for-1 or Domino's or Pizza Hut, but it just didn't do very well. And we don't remember the commercials. I don't even remember what would say it or what the mascot looked like, but it was like pizza.
トリプル O。 あ、I remember トリプル O。 ハンバーガーね。
Doesn't talk anymore. Like I'd literally be like every morning I'd wake up to the text and be like, "You want a game? You want a game? You want a game? You want a game?" And now nowhere. Gone. Maybe you should text Finn want a game. I text Finn all the time. Okay. Oh, I'm doing something today. What are you gonna play now? Your girlfriend's playing and you're not? Okay, cool. Cause like even Maddie, she'd like message me while she was playing like Finn's gonna play next. And I was like,